TV.
Country people, una well done. Now welcome to DGM TV, the Ogbonge TV station when they give una Ogbonge news story as they happen and as they hot.
DGM TV.
Hello, the governor of Edo State. I'm Chief Dr. Daniel Agbetu, the Sonoro of Roikido, the Ekmebio Yegu of Uku. I'm a great native doctor. I'm from Roi, Ward 8. I want to tell you that the wrestler have been taking place in the night, that you have defeated Pastor Sageze Yamu. Yes, you are the giant snake. I saw it, that you have swallowed Pastor Sageze Yamu. Yeah, congratulations. As far the Obanika Oyafe no Roto Edo Yafe Gbase you were in, and Unwoko no Roto Edo Yafe Gbase you were in, Ekonorwe Iya Gbase you were in, Otoeke no Ruwo de Gbase you were in, Ushopi Kane Heranga Gbase you were in, Dose Gbe Oridiano Nyason, Die Bodie Wase. Igbe imu no roto edo ya fele gbase yuwe ene weni Godwin Nobi Obaseki woka ye we governor bazeno dena ena weni izegenia kama we congratulation osawe sebegbe we defeat Pastor Sageze Yamune obo mekin emi no sunu baso metamu wena. Yes, our panika oya fele ne roto edo ya ne ka ekebo gisoke ya do se gbe wa e no gidi gan nukpogeva ya gbase yuwe ni adi obo yuwe yekene onwe kuki ya mudianu e won ko mudianu e oyi wo gwali mo gwalu wewe wo karu you be the next governor and you have already been the next governor. Let them be campaign, they are campaign for nothing. When mami mean we see ye Pastor Sageze Yamu egbe o runda we Adamo Shomo all you pay for one o pay for no worry run ni October mo kakabo or 700 million, not yet 700 million, or governor. Honor the high workers, so sir. Wagwano ya tota juwa. Udifita ene. Ime san ya fe mudianwe. Ime uchi ya fe mudianwe. Do segbe abe imo boke mo we no roto edo ya fe. Bubu no roto na be mudianwe ne. When Godwin Nobi Obaseki. Yare ema wuki ayo for the next 4 years. Yara work my Yara winning as a great governor in Edo State. You are not a talkative like Oshomole. That is
DGM TV.
Now, good evening, my people, everybody. Now, today we'll try to speak broken because we don't pass that. I think we don't pass that stage where we speak English or small for where we know small. Because these people who we want to talk to today, we need to reach them. We need to make them understand. We need to make them. We need to speak that language. We say they go understand to reset their brain. Since they say they know they hear words. I play say no vision every year. They say they're stubborn fly, and they follow cops enter grave. Those enemy of Edo people, where you say they don't want to let us rest for that state, where you not get any political relevance, where you not get any skill or talent to offer when it comes to in terms of governance. They say by force, by fire, then you enter us at the Bay House. We say no, we no agree. We say make we tell una say Edo people no be Judas. We no be Judas. No matter how many pieces of silver you give to us for this election, we no go sell out. No matter how much bowl of porridge you give to us, we no go sell out. We no be Judas. Because we have seen the lights. We have been delivered. 4 years, Obaseki has been in governance directly and even more indirectly. There is evidence of good governance. And now today, they are coming to tell us that you have better candidates. And even this candidate you say you get way better pass, where they show us. He gets slate of over 700 million hanging in his neck. The one where he looked when he was just a party leader. Now you are telling me that that is a better candidate to put in the state treasury. These people now work for me. When I say we still mumu, our mumu don't do. We are wiser than that now. In this time of age, no way. We not be Judas. 1. So we not fit sell out. And 2, we dey more intelligent than that. We get sense past that. So we not fit sell out. No matter how much pieces of silver you want give to us, how much bowl of porridge you want give to us, we not go sell out. We not go sell out. Because our mumu don't do. Our eyes don't open. Our ears don't open. We know what's in the happen. We know what's in the shell. What you want come tell me? Every day you come out, they celebrate billion. Where you don't get second address. You don't get school certificate. And you they can't celebrate billion. And we know fully where I say, now our state treasury now they get them. Now we now say we now want to go back there. Listen very well. That state treasury, the key, we don't lock them. Obaseki don't lock up. They don't give the key to Edo people. See him? It's in my hands. Now him be this one. We no go sell out. Because we know say all this money where you they come share for street now. You want come back, come recover them. No be who want share money. No be who want follow person chop money then they find. We know. Edo people know better than that. They say, who want share money go see who go follow and chop am. So I'm not surprised. You, not just think say you popular. Say you they give people money. They come tell us say every day, say people they camp. Then you come join you. They go follow you chop your money. Because now waiting their common sense tell them now. But me I know say, as an Edo person, people will like better thing. People will like the progress of our state. We not go sell our conscience for these few pieces of silver where you they offer, where you they throw away up and down. We not go sell out because we not be Judas. Because we not be Judas. Edo people say we not go sell out. We don't decide say no more Agbero or Sadebe Avenue. No more godfatherism for Osadebe Avenue. Now people where you get relevance, where you get the skill, where you get the managemental skill, where if we use our resources well, provide good heads, provide good school, provide infrastructure for us. Now we go put there. People where they transparent, where if we they accountable. No be una. No get a political. You they come out every day. They come tell me say you go Sadebe Avenue with Ghana must go empty one. You go come back with empty one. And that one we want. A person will go fit manage our resources well. And you even say they give you water. Be careful. Say we not come ask you for money for that water, because you they owe us money. And when you reach there, we go ask question. So Edo people, we don't tell you. We not be Judas. And we no go sell out. We no go sell out.
I am in pain. I am in severe pain. I can't turn this neck anymore. If anything happens to me, the Inspector General of Police to be held accountable.
This is a bank call. Hey, please hold it, I beg. maybe by the time the rubber finish, they will see say na movie star. Well done, my brother.
Wow, scholarship. Are you aware that every expenditure you make from 31st May till date are not
You be mumu. You think say they wise. You are a mumu man. You are a mumu man. The earlier we realize this, the earlier every one of you realizes, the better it will be for us. That Nigeria is not for us. How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? Eh?
DJ Edo TV.